In a country where minimalism is everything, we have Marie Kondo, we have Japanese gardens, we have bonsai. In the meantime, Japanese websites are so bad.
But are they?
For reference, here are the elements of good web design. Consistency in colors. Limit your color palette for graphic elements to 5 colors, consistent with your brand. Consistent fonts and sizes. Use a font that is consistent with your brand. Too much variety makes the site look cluttered. Use photos, especially images of people. A good rule of thumb is 50-50 for photos and text. Don't overwhelm the visitor with a wall of text. Uncluttered. Have a single CTA on your homepage. What's a CTA, you might ask? A CTA is a call to action, like when I ask you to like this video. Japanese web design follows none of these rules.
Why?
There are several reasons Japanese web design is so different from the West. Consumer culture. Why all the text? Japanese consumers are risk-averse and very savvy. They don't want to make a wrong decision, and they require loads of information before making a decision. So in other words, the more text, the better. For Japanese consumers, there's no such thing as information overload. As a matter of fact, if you don't put every single bit of information about a product on the homepage, Japanese consumers will start to wonder, what are they hiding? What are they not telling me? Is this web page even reliable? So why the busy layout? Japanese are used to shopping with catalogs, and Japanese websites were simply made to mimic the design of a catalog. Here's a catalog for rice cookers, for example. Chirashi. Chirashi means handbill, and Japanese consumers are used to receiving those in front of a store, department store, grocery store, etc. The people who make those handbills are used to cramming as much information into one page as possible. And when the internet came about, they simply ported that design over to the web. Before smartphones became a thing, Japan already had its own version of the mobile web, and consumers wanted consistency. So even after smartphones became ubiquitous, this type of legacy design persisted. Fun fact, the Japanese word for flip phone is garake or garaho. I found some videos that do more of an academic deep dive into the topic, and I put a link below. And just like all the other quirks that make Japan so charming, I'm kind of getting used to this.